Whenever one of our favorite social media platforms makes a major change to the layout, some people just don't like change. They want to resist it. They want things to go back to the way they were. And quite frankly, some of you guys are just lost and you don't know how to navigate the platform. Well, in this video, we're going to look at the change that Facebook has made to our layout of our pages. And by the end of the video, I'll convince you that there's a few changes that are really good. So that's what's coming up today. So stay right there and we're going to get through this new Facebook update together. We're on my Facebook page, which is Miss Ileane Speaks, and I want you to see what the page looks like with this template that I'm using, which is actually the video template. I like this template because you get to feature your latest and most popular videos up at the top before folks even go through all the things that you've posted, your about section, and all of that. This is the new layout. And one of the advantages that your visitors will have is that they can see your page in dark mode. Now, they're only going to be able to do that if they have the new Facebook. So that is my very first thing that I think makes this a good thing, because a lot of people like to use dark mode and it's easier on your eyes, especially when you're on mobile. And this new layout is more similar to what our pages look like on mobile devices. Let's do a quick comparison and remember what it looked like in the old Facebook. What you'll see when you switch back is that this area that's over on the left-hand side is a completely different layout, and there's not as much focus on these videos that I have up at the top, these featured videos. There's more of a focus on all of these other places that people can explore, like your live videos, your events, and your other posts on the page. Or in my case, I actually have an email sign-up form on my page as well. With this old layout, you'll see that even as an admin, everything that's over on the left-hand side is what your visitors would do to navigate through your page. Okay, we've taken a trip down memory lane. Now let's move forward and look at some of the advantages of this new layout. Having easy access to all of our admin tools right on the left-hand side, to me, this just makes it so much clearer and easier to get to. And I know just what I want right now is to go over to the Creator Studio. And the other thing I love about these changes that Facebook has made is that now everyone can add to their Facebook page stories right from desktop. I have a complete video that gives you a walkthrough, step by step, how you can do this, and you'll see that you're going to be able to add a link to your stories. That's actually one of my favorite updates because you don't even have to have 10,000 likes on your page. Everyone can use this desktop interface to add to their Facebook page stories. Now, let's take a look at some of the other templates that we can use and what they look like in the new Facebook. You just click on the settings cogwheel, then you'll see templates and tabs, and you'll see that you have so many videos. The template that I'm using is actually the one that was recommended to me by Facebook, and you'll see that they know I'm a video creator, so that's the one that they've recommended for me to use, which is the video page. But then there's also the business page, venues, nonprofit, politicians, services, public figures, restaurants and cafes, shopping, and your standard template. Take note as you're scrolling through these and deciding which ones you want to use, that you'll see that there are different tabs that are available in the default versions of these templates. So that should help you make your decision. Now let's go back to the video page template, because I just want to share why I think this is a good page to use if you are a video content creator. I love that I'm able to showcase these videos right up at the top of the page. And if I wanted to go in here and change any of them, all I need to do is just click on the three dots here and click on Add Videos. And then I can select any of my videos. It doesn't matter how old the video is or how long it's been. And then I'm giving the option and the opportunity to reorganize them so they can appear in the order that I want them to appear on my page. So please think about embracing the change, finding out what's new that you weren't able to do before. And I know it's going to be glitchy for a while, so just hang in there and come back here when you want more help with navigation. Feel free to leave any of your questions in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.